In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to change payment account Google Play Store. So it's literally easy, guys. What you need to do is go ahead and go to Settings app, and let's just search for the sync and hit this. And once you've searched for accounts and sync, go ahead and click on Google. So what you need to do here is just tap on remove and confirming it by tapping on remove again. So what we need to do is tap on add account and choose Google. And what you need to do is just log in your email credentials around here. Tap on I agree and tap on accept. And you can go ahead and go back to the game that you want to pay, and you will see that the Google account has been changed, and also the payment method. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.